Okay. Hi friends. Welcome to Sarah Arts with Rachel. Now, now this is going to be. I'm going to put up some of the videos with paper flowers. So now today this is my third video with paper flowers, and I'm going to just show you the small fillers what I make for my projects. How I make with my projects. And this is something which you can, even the kids can do it if you don't have little material like distress ink, archival inks and all. If you don't have all that, how you can do it with the normal crayon colors, I will show you that. And this is my die cuts which I have taken. You can even use punchcraft, you can use, die cuts you can use, and the paper is Irish paper. It is 125 GSM, easily available at Jairaj in Mumbai side VT. So it's easily available, you can check down. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm using my crayon colors. Actually we use distress ink, archival ink and all that, but today I'm going to show you with the crayon colors so the kids can easily do it. Now what you're going to do is you take your sponge, rub your color. You got this color? After that, hold it nicely, and I'm not going to completely do all the petals. I'll just keep 1.5 petal white in color only, so that I get good shading. You see this? Same thing I'm going to do backside also. Hold it nicely so don't tear. The same way you can use with your distress also, distress oxide also, archival also. You can, the color emerging is the same way. So both the side I have done it. Now this is the petal. I'm going to do green again. I'll just take back of the sponge. I'll do in shading, not completely green. I've done a bit of shading. Same backside. So this is how you color it. Now getting back, this is the pollen what I'm going to use, this wire pollen. You see this? It's wire pollen. So now how you emboss this? I'm going to take the back of the cutting, which is a little bit rough one. I'm going to do. I'm just going at the round near the edges. Turn back. This is the ball tool, friends. You get ball tool easily available at any stationery shop. You see this? The embossing part and all. So this is done. Now same thing, my leaf. I'll take the rough part backside and I'll just make one line over here and one line over here. So this is what I have done it. Now I'll just take a little bit of Fevicol. And I'll just stuck my pollen in it. Allow it to dry. Now I have Mod Podge here. I'm going to apply Mod Podge all around the petal. If you don't wish to do it, you can just leave it as it is. I'm just showing the technique. In case if you want, you can. Otherwise, it's not compulsory that you have to do it. Just a basic idea I'm giving, not in deep. I'm going to take this and I'm going to dip it. This is the glitter which I sell also. This is 1 rupee 1 gram. And this is your flower ready. Now you can just cut this flower. If you have any envelope or card, you can just arrange your flowers with help of silicone and just arrange the leaves the way you want. You can just put more leaf. I'm just showing you the sampling. I'm not showing you exactly the projectors. And if this is your envelope, you can just arrange some wordings, and that's how you can make it. You see this clearly? So friends, this is a simple idea what I'm going to show you all, and I'll upload more videos on paper flowers because I've got a lot of inquiries for paper flowers, and I'll upload my all the possible tricks and ideas, whatever I know, I will upload that. Thank you for watching this.